One more. Tap your feet just a little bit. There we go.
Foot? Oh,
There we go. That's. There we go. There we go. Sneak right in here. There we go.
Oh, that was a good one.
There we go. One more. There we go. Nice and easy. Relax. There we go. Oh, nice and easy. Same thing on this side. Oh, that move. One more. One more. Last one. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. Perfect. One more. Let's get a nice little pull. 1, 2, and 3. Your ears should get nice and warm.
a little bit.
Special chiropractic wise. There we go. One more. One more. All right, just kidding. Last one. There we go. Take care of that one. Nice and easy.
Whew.
One more on this side. We'll try not to mess up your hairdo. Nice and relaxed. One more. There we go. Pull your hair out of the way. And then we're gonna give a nice little push. Good. And same thing on this side. Awesome. All right. Let's give a nice little pull. So far so good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 1, 2, and 3.
Ooh.
Nice and simple. There we go. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Nice. One more. Awesome. Right in here. Same thing on this side. Good. And 1, 2, and 3. Relax. Big muscle. There we go. Good.
Oh my God.